there are 3 quarter notes in every measure. That's going to be very important when you get to 86, because in measure 86 you have a measure of rest. But that's just 3 beats of rest, not 4. In 87 you go to 4-4. And then in 91 you go back to 3-4. So just remember that when you're counting, especially in measure 86, that you only count 3 beats. Now it's very important also that you have F sharps. Now that means that on the C string, if you have to play a 3, like in measures 83, 84, and 85, it's going to be what we call a high 3. Because it's an F sharp, and E to F sharp is always a whole step. So the hard thing is going to be playing B, B, A, F sharp. Think about playing B, B, A, put the 2 down, and then really quickly put 3 down a whole step away. That way you know you're going to accurately be in tune for that F sharp. Another thing to notice is that in 91 you have accents. 91 to the end, make sure you really use a lot of bow to get a good accent on those notes. It's going to be very important in the audition. Okay, another important aspect of this is when you start, make sure it's mezzo forte, medium loud, and that you make a big difference between the beginning and the forte at 87. So make sure that if you have either one of those sections in the audition, that you make a big difference between the 2 dynamics. Okay, we're going to start the metronome off at 116 and play through it. 1, 2, ready, play. Song. 1, 2, ready, go.